Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. Today in this video I'm going to show you how can you show Threads badge on Instagram. So for that you have to make sure that you have installed the Instagram app with the latest version, and after that just go to your Instagram. Now in the Instagram, click the bottom right your profile icon. Now click the top right the three line icon here, and after that click on Threads. Now click the bottom get Threads. Now just install Threads app. After installing the Threads app, just go to Threads and click on login with Instagram. After login with your Instagram, Threads will show in your Instagram app. So guys, that's how you can show Threads on your Instagram app. Hope you find this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.